To integrate monday.com and Slack, click the profile on the right upper corner. Then select My Profile, and you will redirect to Personal Info. Then click Notifications. Then click the plus Add Slack, and you will redirect to the page of Slack. To allow, click the content and info about channel and conversations. So with the content and info, and you can allow it now. After that, you need to authorize the Slack to integrate with monday.com. And that's it. You have successfully connected your monday.com account to Slack. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.